Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, I'd like to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you for returning to all of my regular subscribers. I appreciate you guys very, very much. And I want to give a special shout out. I have a couple new members to my channel. I mentioned Jean in my last video. Thank you, Jean. And I have Vicky. So thank you so much, Vicky. And Dina from Dina's Homespun Fun. Thank you so much, Dina. I appreciate that, guys. Now, Dina does have a YouTube channel. You may want to go check out her channel. She is chock full of good stuff. And she's always coming up with some really creative things. And anyway, I really like Dina's channel. And she actually is the one who has been hosting the Crochet Calendar Fun with some of us podcasters, which has been a blast this entire year. Thank you, ladies, for joining my channel. I appreciate that. Okay, the intro. What that was, what's going on in my intro is one of the scenes is I had bought one of those skinny tree, the pop-up tree. So I just show a little clip of that, and I just love that little thing, and it's so shiny. And you just throw it back in that little box. I mean, it's really cool. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. And the little fire department scene is where my husband is a retired firefighter, and that's our local volunteer fire department that you saw there. And my husband is on the board at that volunteer fire department. And so I was sitting out there waiting for him, headed to the post office. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna get a little clip of him, add him to my video without him knowing. But he does know he's on there now. So I didn't just do it behind his back, but I did take it, and then I let him see the video to make sure he was okay. And he was. So anyway, so that's what that is. And so yeah, let's go ahead and see the WIP carts that everyone has. All you guys have been so great getting your WIP carts, putting them on my Facebook group page. And guys, just because you do it once, if your WIP cart has changed the things that you have in it, post it again. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at everyone's WIP carts today. Guys, I love that. I love when you guys post in the Facebook group page. If you want your WIP cart included in one of my WIP Caddy videos, just post a picture in my Facebook group page. The link is down below. Okay, what I'm working on. Let's take a look real quick. Okay, guys, I said I wasn't going to do any more slippers, but I had to. I just had to. So this is from my sock monkey. This is from my Sock Monkey slipper pattern, which is also my easy slipper pattern. And then if you go to that video, then you just go to the video that goes with it that says how to add the cuff. Otherwise, you can go to the Sock Monkey video, and it's the same one. But yeah, I bought my daughter from Kohl's. You guys all know I love Kohl's. I bought this little robe right here for her for Christmas. And so I grabbed me some light gray yarn, and this looks, in the video, looks more white than this. But in real life, this is a cream color. So, but in the camera, it looks white. And then that looks cream. But anyway, so I made my daughter some slippers, and this is for my two oldest sisters right here. I made them a pair of slippers. And I actually kept my yarn band this time. This one is I Love This Yarn. And it is from Hobby Lobby. It's called Wild Carnation. And I was gifted these. And man, have I had fun using these. 100% acrylic and 252 yards. Yeah, I bought a couple of skeins of these myself. And then one of you nice, lovely people gifted me a few of these, and I have enjoyed them. I've made doll clothes with them. So many pairs of slippers. I mean, yes, I love that yarn. Okay, and then this one, I was gifted this yarn as well. And thank you for that. This one is, I love this yarn, Stonewash. And it is a Hobby Lobby, 100% acrylic, 252 yards. It's called Teal. And it is really nice as well. So this is one of my sister's favorite colors, in pink, and then the other sister loves blue. And then what I did on my daughter's, big twist for the light gray that you see right here, 380 yards, a medium 4-weight. Oh, and both of those are medium 4-weights, by the way. Forgot about that. Soft gray, and they are 100% acrylic. And then for her little cream part right here, I used this Red Heart Super Saver. It was some that I had left. It's called Soft White. It's 100% acrylic. And it's a Super Saver Jumbo, 744 yards in this. So that's what I use for that. And I wanted to remind you guys that this is the box that will be going out to my lucky winner of my 16K giveaway. I've got it all ready. It's taped up and everything. Okay, the next project I am working on is the Afghan for my sister, the little ripple blanket. I am out of this color right here. I have ordered it from Joann's. It's called Camel. And I have had to put a halt to this blanket until I can find that camel color. So I thought I'd share with you the colors in this. This is Big Twist, Varsity Green. It's a medium 4-weight. 380 yards in this. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. There we go. All right. And then we have, this color is called Ivory. And this is black. And then, like I said, this color right here is Camel. See a little more of the blanket. So what I do is I take a card and I punch these holes in it, and then I mark my colors, A, B, C, D, and then I go over here, and however many rows I want for color A, however many rows I want for color B, and then, you know, however I want my pattern to go is how I do that. And then each row, like once I finish rows 1 through 4, I put a check mark. And then all the way down. And now where I'm at on here, see, I'm on this one. I said repeat twice. So I did this row all the way once. And then I'm going back down and doing it a second time. And so that's why there's 2 check marks by each of those. And then right now, see, I'm on color C, which is right here. And I am completely out of the yarn. So until I get that yarn, I can't continue. But for color C, I only need 8 more rows. And I think if I dedicate a day to this, I'll be able to finish this in one day. Joanne said that they have shipped it, so it is on its way. There was, I mean, I checked all the stores within a 100-mile radius, and they are out of this color. So I went ahead and ordered a couple of skeins. I had to pay, like, I think, maybe $12 extra. But for a little $3.99 skein of yarn. But it's worth it. You know, it's a Christmas present. It's worth it. She will have many years to enjoy this. But that's how much I've got of it so far. It's going pretty good. And I forgot to mention, on the slippers, I am using an eye hook that's a 5.5 millimeter hook. So yes, I said no more slippers for the rest of the year, but I could not help myself, guys. I just could not help myself. I had to do it. And as far as the blanket, yeah, I ran out of the yarn. So, but I do have some coming. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the one thing that I'm working on, and I'm very excited about this. One of you guys had posted in my Facebook group page these mittens that you're working on, and I was like, I love that. I love the texture of that. I love I just love it. Well, this is an adult small, but I used Red Heart yarn, and I don't have it in here. I actually was filming in my living room in front of the fireplace with all the beautifulness. But some reason the light just kept shining in the eye. Let's see if I can get it. I can't really get it to do on here. Maybe it's because that's LED light. I'm not sure. But in there, it was just some dots. And I actually filmed a whole video, but I went back and I was like, no, I'm way too distracted on those dots in my glasses. So I'm just coming here and doing another video. I don't mind talking to you guys. But anyway, so I used Red Heart yarn, Aran, because I could not find a solid cream color yarn that I could use that I had enough to where I could make mittens, hat, and scarf, because I like this so much. I want a complete set. So I'm going to have to find me some more yarn similar to this color. I don't mind if it's a tweed, something. So I'm going to see. I did order some yarn from Lion Brand, and it has a tweed look to it. So I ordered enough. I ordered enough to make me a hat, scarf, and some mittens. But guys, you know how much I like making my slippers? I'm going to love making this. This thing was so easy. It says advanced beginner, but I don't know. I just enjoyed making it. I don't think it was advanced beginner. I don't know. Maybe it's just the technique of the things you've got to do according to the sizing and all those different things that makes it that way. I don't really know what makes advanced beginner. But I just followed along with the pattern, and I figured if I had any trouble, I could just check the video out. But it said, I added a couple more rows to this. So see, it's a little big. I wasn't supposed to, but I thought that it was going to be too big. I mean, I thought it was going to be too short. So I added a couple more rows. But the thing about this is I'm going to go ahead and make the other pair. This is the Red Heart Super Saver, and it has not been washed. When I wash it, it will be nice and soft. So I'm going to give this to probably my daughter. Her hands are bigger than me, because this Aran, this Red Heart yarn, when you crochet with it, it comes out bigger than most other 4-weight yarns. And so I'm just going to give this to her, and I'm going to make me another one in a little bit nicer 4-weight yarn. Even though, like I said, when this is washed, it will be nice and soft. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. But I love this pattern, and it has this, yes, I love that part of it, because if you're out somewhere and your arms get cold, try to get my hand in that big old thumb. It's really not that bad. But anyway, I like that it does this right here. Isn't that cool? I love that. Yep. So, this was just a really cool pattern. It is, this was the printed pattern off their blog. It's called the Turtle Trunk. This is called the Cozy Cottage Mittens. And she does have a YouTube channel. And there's a video on this. She has tons of stuff. So I can't wait to just dive into her stuff next year. Since we only got, a couple weeks left in this year. So that's why I said next year. She has a gorgeous headband that matches this. I'm making the headband too. I don't typically wear headbands, but I didn't wear hats either till I started making them. So I think that I'm going to maybe try my hand at some of these wider headbands, especially if it's this texture and this look. I just think that'd be gorgeous together. I've got to learn how to wear the headbands because I have shorter hair. And a lot of girls I notice whenever they're wearing the headbands, they have their hair like in this big messy bun type thing. I don't know if I have enough hair to put in a messy bun. And I don't even know if I know how to make a messy bun. So, but I'm going to make one anyway. And I'm going to see if I can't try to learn to wear one. I guess I can go to YouTube and search how to wear headbands. the different ways. So anyway, I'm going to make that. It looked beautiful. And since I love this so much, this pattern, that if she doesn't have a regular hat pattern, I'll just make my own, because I love that so much. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's all that I actually have going right now is my sister's blanket and some mittens. That's it, guys. Yeah, I have slowed myself down. I have gotten all my Christmas stuff caught up, and now I've just got to wrap presents. So let's go ahead and do the 365 days of prayer. I've already read this one because I filmed, like I said, in front of the fireplace, and this is a good one. I don't want you guys to miss this one. It says, compared to glory. I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. Romans 8:18. Eternal Lord, pain is so hard to endure. When I can't avoid it and when it seems to want to linger, I need you to remind me this is not my home. The time I spend here will be just a breath in my forever with you. Tell me again that what feels like an eternity right now, I won't even remember in heaven. Father, I need you to keep telling me because pain wears me down. I start to believe I will always feel this way, and I know that's a lie. Suffering here will be reversed to joy in heaven. This momentary pain is nothing at all, compared to the joy that you have for me once I am home. Can you trust that your present pain is nothing compared to the joy that is coming? That is beautiful. I told you guys would love that. I loved it. It was worth hearing again. Okay, guys, that's all I have for this video. Monday is chock full of stuff. And Monday is also the pick the winner to the giveaway, the 16K giveaway. I will leave the link below. Go check that out. And just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.